What a great story there. And here, there are no bigger heroes, perhaps, than nurses on the front line.
The demand for them is greater than ever, but the supply cannot keep up. Local 23's Jeremiah Wilcox takes a look at the future of nursing in Texas and the effect the pandemic has had on the next generation.
This is the most global.
In the midst of a pandemic and straining hospitals across the country, Mitchell Woods is studying nursing at RGV.
So I retired in 2017. I did not have a degree, but I wanted to continue with medicine.
After 2 decades serving in the Navy, he's now preparing to serve patients.
Talking with the patient, getting their take on how things went and, how things we could do better. That the nurses are an integral part of the healthcare team, and without them, patient care would definitely suffer.
And Texas could use more people like him. Texas Health and Human Services says by 2032, the state will need more than 57,000 registered nurses and expects to fall short of that number by about 16%.
There is, without a doubt, fear. Particularly in very young individuals.
Teaching the next generation of nurses is Sharon Radzaminski. She's been the Dean of Nursing at RGV and says she's come across 2 types of students.
Those who are afraid of nothing. They feel that nothing can touch them, and they're perfectly fine, don't see what all the fuss is about. And then there are those who are scared. Who are very fearful either of themselves, their children, their family members. I have elderly grandparents at home. I'm afraid of taking the disease home to my grandparents. So we see both sides of the coin.
A pandemic like this hasn't been seen in more than a century. She understands the amount of stress this job can have.
Part of nursing is the care of others. Okay, so we're nursing professors, we take care of our students. So if somebody is really afraid, truly afraid, or they have a reason that they have family members or whatever, we give the option to sit out for a semester.
But she wants to give hope about the future of this profession, saying there's always someone willing to help those in need.
This pandemic has really showcased what nursing is and what nurses do.
That piece where you're able to help somebody and help them to recover from an ailment.
Putting local first in Harlingen, I'm Jeremiah Wilcox.
Based on the population size, Texas will be the 2nd largest state to feel the pain of the nursing shortage.